Challenger Gold is a gold and copper exploration company with ambitions to become a globally significant gold producer. The company is advancing two complementary projects in South America, the Hualilan Gold Project in Argentina and the El Guayabo Project in Ecuador. Challenger's near-term focus is the high-grade, low-capex Hualilan development. Ahead of presenting at the Ignite Investment Summit in Hong Kong, CEO and Managing Director Kris Knauer joins me to discuss Challenger's path to production and strategic optionality. Kris, welcome to the Stock Network.
Thanks, it's great to be here, Lil.
Now, with toll mining at Hualilan now fully permitted and production expected to commence in the final quarter of this calendar year, how does this milestone position Challenger for near-term cash flow and operational readiness?
Yeah, look, it's a big milestone. Effectively, we transitioned from an explorer/developer to a producer. It gives us the cash flow we need to effectively, create the larger operation. So what we've got at Hualilan is a 2.8 million ounce resource. We're tolling a small portion of that, about 3% through a mill down the road. Generates us around about $160 million EBITDA over 3 years. It's sort of, $3,500 gold. And then that provides the cash that lets us go and develop standalone operations at Hualilan, which turns us into a plus 150,000 ounce a year gold producer, at which point, we're a fairly significant gold company.
Excellent. Now, Challenger's portfolio spans Argentina and Ecuador with both high-grade and bulk tonnage gold copper potential. How is the company leveraging this diversified project base and recent regional M&A activity to enhance shareholder value and growth prospects?
Yeah, so look, the M&A activity has really been around Ecuador, and what's happened there is we've got 9 million ounces, and that 9 million ounces is the other half of a 25 million ounce deposit that was recently acquired by CMOC or China Moly. They have paid the equivalent of $25 an ounce for that project. You drag that across to our sort of 9 million ounces. You're looking at about $170 million Oz net to us. So really at the moment, what that regional M&A activity has done is it's got the market looking at that project. Really, before that happened, we were getting zero value for it, and we're now getting pretty much close to zero value as well. But it potentially unlocks the value of that project, whether it be a sale to CMOC. We've had a couple of other groups approach us wanting to acquire it, whether it's a listing in Canada. What that's done is that's taken an asset where we've got a big bulk, 9 million ounces, that sits next to a large deposit, and all of a sudden we'll get some value for that project. So we'll deal with that project in the next 12 months and get maximum value for shareholders.
Well, Kris, thank you for the update from Challenger and look forward to hearing more at the Ignite Investment Summit in Hong Kong.
And again, thanks for having me here. I appreciate it.